if you're struggling to make money online in your network marketing or affiliate marketing opportunity, then you came to the right place. My name is Gio Gianta, and I've been marketing online for a while. I got into marketing because I was shown a concept. I was $87,000 in debt, and a couple mentors showed me how I could make money online. I didn't even believe it was possible, and they showed me how to do it. I was like, is this even real? Is this something that I could do? Is it something that is legit? So I learned those concepts and I just took massive action. And now you could see today is April 26, 2022, and I am on the leaderboards of this opportunity. And I haven't even been in this opportunity for that long. It's been about 2 weeks now, and I've already been able to get on the leaderboards, and I've already spoken at their mastermind last night, which was Monday, and it was amazing. It was an amazing group of people. There was about 74 people or over 70 people on that call, and it's a community where you learn about marketing. So there's different events that happen that you could actually learn marketing over the shoulder. You could learn it face to face. So if you have any questions, you get on those lives and you could ask them face to face. And there's not too many opportunities where you could ask questions face to face like that and get hands-on support. So that's what I really love about this. And when you're building your business online, what they don't tell you is that you need to be building your audience daily, right? It doesn't matter what you're building. If you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, you still need to be building an audience. You need to be building relationships with people. And you do that by retaining your audience, retaining your contacts. So there's a sales funnel system builder set up in here to where you could actually design your own funnels. So if you don't know what a funnel is, a funnel actually helps you to retain the leads. So if you go to a page, they ask for your email. They say, well, if you want to find out the 5 ways to make money online, put in your email. Then you put in your email and it takes you to a sales page. When you put in your email, you get on your email list and you'll get a series of follow-up emails as soon as you opt in, which that means put your email in. And as soon as you opt in, you get a series of emails. Or they could do a one-time broadcast if there's something going on, and the one-time broadcast goes out to your entire list. So that's how it works. So you're building a relationship with a sales funnel tool that you're able to actually have the list, and the list becomes your asset. Let's say you can't do paid advertising, or let's say something happens, you'll always have your list. Your list doesn't go anywhere. Your list is your asset that you build that you'll always have, right? So once you build it, you have it. So when you get in here, it's going to tell you the 3 steps to get started. It's going to tell you to come into our community and get plugged in. Then it's going to tell you the 3 simple steps to build any business online. Then you got to set up your funnel, and you're going to have your own domain because that makes you professional. And then when you set up your domain, you're going to have an autoresponder service set up with it, right? Because that's what you're going to use to host your funnel. Right? So when people opt in, they're going to be on a website. They're going to be in your website, right? And they're going to go to your email list. So you're going to need a website set up for that. And then you're going to learn, all about how to optimize, all about how to create your own funnels, all about, tracking conversion pixels to know your stats. You're going to learn about how to redirect, which means if they go one place, you could make them go somewhere else within the funnel. Also, there's exit pops, which means if they try to get out of your funnel, there's a message that pops up and saying, no, wait, you didn't see this yet, and it might offer them a downsell from that. A downsell is something that if they try to get out, you offer them something of value, but at a lower price, right? To see if they buy, right? So you're gonna learn all about that stuff. They show you about shared funnels, how you could share funnels. They show you about tracking your leads in the builder. They show you about selling your own products, which is very important. If you're in network marketing or affiliate marketing, then you have a one-click upsell and downsell. So that means within one click, you'll be able to get sales. So if they do an upsell, that basically means that they bought something and then you offer them something else and they make a purchase. If they don't make a purchase, then you could offer them a downsell, right? A downsell is like what I was saying, something of lesser value or more value but lesser price, right? And then you'll learn how to actually do a membership site. If you want to learn that, you'll learn how to host your videos. You'll learn how to make pages for your team. You'll learn how to book your appointments. You'll learn how to create graphics, survey pages, all about videos and split testing your pages, which, split testing basically means to test out your pages to see which ones are converting. There's just so much stuff back here. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable how to build a traditional website. Everything you need to know to build out a website, all for this. In this funnel builder system, I'm going to tell you it's 80% commissions. So it's $25 a month and they give you a $20 commission. That's amazing. That's amazing. And then they have live coaching that you could actually get. So if you need live coaching, they have it. We have it every single week. You could get on a live call. I was actually on a call last night for the premium members, and I was giving them value of what I was doing to get results. They asked me to come on, and it was really an amazing experience. Like, there was like over 70 people on that call, and they all want to make money. They all want to have success. They all want more out of life, right? So it was just amazing to be in a community of people that all had goals and things that they're striving for, right? So then I upgraded because I want to learn about traffic. I want to learn about what converts, what's working, everything like that. So that's an extra $100 a month you can earn, right? So it teaches you all about pre-traffic, where to store your passwords so you're not scatterbrained, how to create your lead magnet, which is what you're giving away, how to set up your bookmarks, and you could bookmark where your website and everything like that. You're going to learn all about that stuff. And then as far as traffic, you're going to learn the free methods, how to launch your business. You're going to learn how to invite people. You're going to learn how to follow up with them. You're going to learn how to get unlimited leads to Facebook. You're going to also learn about, blogging, how to rank your videos on YouTube. So if you want to learn that, that's how you see my videos in the top of YouTube, because it's ranking. You could also do podcasting. Podcasting is actually it's like Joe Rogan, like a radio show kind of. If you want to learn how to do that, you'll learn how to do that. Free Facebook methods, to learn. You'll learn about ads. You'll learn about LinkedIn. You'll also learn about how to do Facebook Lives the right way. And then if you have your own product and you want to do a launch, there's a 5-day launch challenge. A launch is basically the fastest way that you can earn the bulk of your money in the shortest amount of time, because you do a presentation, you get people on there. Let's say you have about 20 people on a presentation. Let's say 9 or 10 of them convert, and you're selling your product for $500. In a presentation, let's say it only takes an hour and a half to do. I mean, you just had a good day right there, So that's how it is. And then there's other trainings that you could get involved in, and also done for you funnels. So these funnels are already done for you. They've already been tested. People use them to actually make sales. And if you don't want to create your own funnels or work and do your own funnels, then there's funnels that are already made for you that you could actually use, which is really, really cool. So this traffic portion, it actually gives you $100 extra in commissions. Then when you start building your business and you start making sales, you're going to actually want to actually learn how to manage your sales. So you're going to actually want to learn how to manage your business. So in here, there's the financial literacy and how to eliminate debt, and then how you want to file your taxes the right way to actually save on your earnings and not have to file so much and actually make money rather than give it away. right? And that's what we all want to do. So you could actually make money by actually knowing the right strategies and how to follow in your business. You could also learn the marketing strategies to actually have other opportunities to make money with, side opportunities to actually, be able to invest property and real estate and things like that. So that's what this teaches you how to do. And this gives you a $400 commission, which is very, very amazing. So you're going to learn all this stuff within this platform. And if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get at least 1,000 people to see your opportunity every single month. You're going to learn how to generate traffic, and you're going to learn how to use that as an incentive to get people to join you in this opportunity. All right. So if you want to know more about it, make sure you click on the link below this video. There's also a link to my Facebook group. The Facebook group is free. You're going to learn a lot about how to market if you get into the Facebook group. And I can't wait to start working with you and help you to grow your business. So, make sure you click on that link below this video and get started today. All right. Until we talk next time, I'll see you soon.